Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into some exciting developments in the world of Google's Gemini. You know how Google keeps rolling out updates faster than you can say AI revolution? Well, get ready for some major changes to the Gemini experience on Android. So, the big news is that Google is giving the Gemini Glow Up a makeover. You know that cool glow effect when you activate Gemini? It's getting a whole new look. Instead of just highlighting the Gemini overlay, the glow will now encompass your entire screen. It's like a visual symphony, with a predominantly blue hue and a splash of red, yellow, and green at the bottom. It's a subtle yet captivating way to indicate Gemini's presence. This redesign aligns with Google's ongoing efforts to create a more immersive and visually appealing user experience. It's the little details like these that make Gemini feel more integrated into the Android ecosystem. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. Google is finally bringing personal intelligence to the masses, and it's free. This feature was initially exclusive to paid Google AI Plan subscribers, but now it's rolling out to all free personal users in the US. Personal intelligence is like having your own digital assistant on steroids. It taps into your entire Google ecosystem, from Gmail and Calendar to Drive, Google Photos, and more. The beauty of this feature is that it learns from your digital footprint to provide personalized responses without you needing to prompt it. It's like having a virtual assistant that anticipates your needs. This could be a game changer for productivity and personalization. What I find fascinating is the level of control Google is giving users. You can actually turn off personal intelligence for specific prompts or choose which apps Gemini has access to. It's a fine line between helpful assistance and privacy concerns, and Google seems to be striking a balance. This level of customization is essential in today's digital world, where users are increasingly conscious of their data privacy. And there's more. Google has also rolled out Memory, which was previously known as past Gemini chats. This feature allows Gemini to learn from your past conversations, eliminating the need to remind it of every little detail. It's like having a digital memory bank, making Gemini even more contextually aware. This is a significant step towards creating a more natural and intuitive conversational experience. In my opinion, these updates showcase Google's commitment to refining the Gemini experience. They're not just throwing AI at us, they're thoughtfully enhancing the user journey. From the redesigned glow effect to the expanded availability of personal intelligence and the introduction of memory, Google is creating a more seamless and personalized AI assistant. It's a testament to how AI can enhance our digital lives when implemented thoughtfully. So, keep an eye out for these updates, and let's see how they shape the future of AI-powered interactions on Android.